urgency was on them. We used another one of your lines. You told us that you want to get this thing started in the next 90 days. So we want to move based on your desire to get moving. So it wasn't our urgency or a sales tactic. It was simply quoting them and then doing our best to say, we'll give you something, but you got to give us something in return.
Beautiful, beautiful. And the something in return was they're going to give you more business. I love that. That's my favorite give, is to give me some more business, right? Sometimes I always say, but I don't love this, but I say, you know, hey, we don't discount. If we were to give a discount, it would be a factor of two things, timing and volume, right? But I don't even like saying that anymore because, and it's just based on what I've discovered, that timing needle, you moved the timing needle the correct way to move it. You're never, well, I'm not going to say never, but it's very difficult to move urgency based on pressure from you. It's very easy to move urgency based on your exact words, Eric, were based on what you told me, right? Which is why I love what we talked about last week in that determining their value, right? Based on what you told me, ballpark, we're looking at saving you $64,000 a week as soon as we get this implemented, right? Does it make, knowing that every week that goes by that we're not in there, we're potentially losing up north of $64,000, $65,000, does it make sense for us to move forward today? That's a great way to talk about urgency. And then discounts, hey, by the way, if you can give me additional facilities or guarantee access, you know, down the road, bump, 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 bump. That was perfect. That's lined up perfectly. Eric, you have your CMSC, don't you?
I do.
I can tell. That's good. That's a great example. The world of sales has completely changed. Today's customer has access to more information. Today's customer has more choices. The business world needs you. Studies have shown that 84% of salespeople fail to achieve their goals. The old sales training, well, it just doesn't work today. I'd like to teach you how to take the stress out of selling in a way that's meaningful to you and your customers and get you 7 times more business. I'll show you how the perfect sales process works. I'm gonna walk you through everything from prospecting to closing the deal. I'm gonna show you how to determine your prospects' wants and their needs, so you can build value in your solutions. You will learn how to handle any objection or complaint. I'm gonna show you how to connect with your customer so it's easy for them to buy from you. I've taught the best companies in the world and thousands of people just like you how to hit their targets. Selling is complicated. I'll simplify it for you. There's more competition than ever before. I'm gonna show you how to be number one. All of a sudden, your career, it's gonna make perfect sense, even if you've never worked in sales or the corporate world before. And for the advanced sales professionals, I'm gonna show you how to take things to the next level. Easton University is a new, simple, step-by-step process that's effective in any industry, large or small. You are about to become a certified master sales consultant. I'm Matt Easton, and this is Easton University.